Lesson 75.
Это.
In this lesson, we're learning our first demonstrative. Again, as we mentioned in the last lesson, a demonstrative is a word like this or that. Lucille, can you tell us about this demonstrative and how to use it? In the book, we say it's kind of a flexible sort of word.
Yes, this word can be used in various contexts as kind of an all-inclusive. As you see with the meaning, it could be this is, that is, these are, or those are. So if you begin a sentence with eta, then you can follow it up with either singular or plural. And you're just indicating this is a car or those are books. So it's a very great sentence starter for some of those simple sentences because in this context, the form of it will not change. You can just put it at the beginning and follow it up with whatever it is you're talking about, singular or plural.
And again, in the answer key, we'll put all the possibilities of what these sentences could mean, just so you can be aware of the range of meaning. But Lucille, this particular demonstrative is what we call a demonstrative pronoun, right?
Yes, because it's going to stand by itself. It's a different situation if you're talking about this book is mine. This form you're not necessarily going to combine with a noun because it's a pronoun in and of itself.
So if we pair up a demonstrative with a noun and it describes the noun, we call that a demonstrative adjective.
Yes.
And that's a different set of demonstratives in Russian, right?
Yes. With the demonstrative adjectives, you will see different endings on the word.
But for this particular use of it as a demonstrative pronoun, it's always the same. It's just eta.
Correct, yes.
Sergey, could you take us through these examples in the lesson and just tell us how the words add up to mean what they mean?
So the first one is Это Svetlana, which means this is Svetlana. Second one is Это машины. These are cars. Это Clara. That is Clara. Это машины. Those are cars.
Now, the second one that says these are cars, it could also mean those are cars in the context of a conversation, right?
Yes, it would depend on the context of what is being said to understand which meaning it is.
And then the third one, that is Clara, it could also possibly translate to this is Clara. We just don't have any context, right?
Exactly.
So again, the context of the conversation will help you understand the intended meaning of these words.